I do license a lot of stuff from independent artists, but it's just, it's hard because it's like, okay, well, who owns it? All right, well, who's the writers? Who, like, I figured out the questions to ask, especially with the hip hop kids. Who's the producer? Like, okay, who owns it? I own everything. Okay, who made the beat?
Yeah.
Oh, whoever.
Yeah.
I'm like, okay, well then is he a writer on the song? Well, I don't know. And it's just digging deeper and deeper. And then I, for one artist, I had to go one step further because I'm listening to the beat or they just said, yeah, no, they own it. It's a sample from, I don't know, some like Japanese film score or something. And I was like, okay, goodbye. I just can't because I just don't have time to go through it.
Yeah.
Constantly, or they'll send me rough mixes. And I'm like, I'm not going to, there was an incident in Euphoria with a label that sent me, rough mixes of stuff or demos. And I put it in, and then we got the finished version, and it was different. And Sam was like, I'm not feeling this. I want what we've been living with.
Right.
So thankfully, the artist would let us use that. And then when they released the song, it was something else. But it's like,
that's tough.
Rough version 3.2 audio REF. And I'm like, I just can't.
Yeah. Are these artists that you're discovering just through your own research and like, oh, wow, this is a really cool song. And then you kind of have to track them down and have those conversations that way?
Yep. Word of mouth too. Friends of friends.
Okay.
Yeah, I kind of find it everywhere. And sometimes when people call, I try to listen to everything when it looks like it's, there's, no spelling mistake, like shit like that. Like somebody wrote like, I really admire, your work, YOU''RE. And I was just like, I can't. and I know that's really picky, but it's it's just, okay, well, you just have to be detail oriented or, what are the splits? And they just send me all the producer, PKAs. And I'm like, no, I need their real legal names.
Yes.
Who's their publishing company, ASCAP. ASCAP is not so it's just, so I think for independent artists, it's just a matter of really educating yourself on how to license your music. What do splits mean? What is ASCAP and BMI? Do you have splits? Like, just have that information to make my life easier, which will make my life easier to sync your music.
Totally.
If you don't have that, after I go back and forth 3 times, I'm done. Next. Like, in TV, you don't have that time. And just when there's 27 songs in one episode of Euphoria, I don't have physical time, not like